Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can design a certificate on the Canva. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to go to the Canva and then we have to create our account. And after account creation, as you can see now, simply we have to search for the certificate design here. For example, I'm going to write the certificate here. So let's write that. And then simply we have to press the enter. And after pressing the enter, as you can see, you will get a lot of certificate templates here. Now you have to choose that which one you want. For example, I'm going to click on this one here and you will get the suggestions again for this related to this design. And now we have to click on the customize this template, and after clicking on the customize this template, as you can see now, simply we are here. If you want to change the title, you can also do that, like the certificate of experience, certificate of participation. You can change the name here as well. For example, I'm going to write my name here, so let's write that. I'm going to write the let's write my name here. So as you can see, if you want to change the names, you can also do that. If you want to change the color of these, you have to go to these icon. As you can see, colors are provided here. For example, I'm going to add this one here. So as you can see, the color is changed. You can click on this and you can also change the color again. And I'm going to click on this again and let's click on the color. As you can see now, the color is changed. You can change each and everything. After doing these all changes, simply we have to go to the share button and then we have to click on the download. And after clicking on the download, we have to choose the format, that in which format you want your certificate. And after that, simply we have to click on the download and the certificate will be downloaded. So in this way you can design a certificate on the Canva. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do that. So see you in the next video.